letters.
How to solve equations with variables, part 2. All right, first step in solving an equation with a variable, we're going to draw our line down our equal sign. Bravo, very nice. Thank you, Vanna White. Now we want to get the z's together. We want to get those variables together. What happens if we have just one z? What does that mean? How many z's are there?
One.
One, so we can pretend that there's a 1 in front of that z. Pretend. How do we get one z from this side of the equation to this side of the equation?
We subtract them.
Yes, subtract. We're going to subtract one z from this side of the equation.
Do it.
And subtract one z from this side of the equation. Very nice, Vanna. What happens when you have two z's?
Subtract them out.
Yep, cancel them out. Nice. Now this side of the equation, if we have two negative numbers, what do?
We add them and keep the signs.
Yay, we add them and keep the signs. And bring down the positive 6. Bring down the 2. All right. Now our equation says 2 equals negative 8z plus 6. We're still trying to get z by itself. How can we get z by itself?
Subtraction.
Yes, what are we going to subtract?
6.
We're going to subtract 6 from both sides. So if we're doing it to this side, subtract 6. Then we're doing it to this side, subtract 6. Those 6's cancel out. Positive 2 and negative 6.
That is...
So you get a positive 2 and a negative 6. So you're going to subtract. What's 2 from 6?
Negative 4.
4. Good job. Ta-da! And you bring down your equal sign. And now you have 8z. And it's a negative 8z. Good. All right. Last step. What do we do to get rid of the 8 so we can have z by itself?
We divide negative 8 from each side.
Yes, we divide both sides by negative 8. Bravo. Hey, what happens when we divide two negative numbers? A negative divided by a negative means a...
Positive.
Yeah, positive. All right, so negative 4 divided by negative 8. How many times does 4 go into 8?
Negative 2.
Negative divided by a negative is a positive.
So it's positive 2.
Woohoo! Z equals positive 2. And that's how you solve equations with variables.
Like a boss.
Like a boss.
Woohoo!